Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage prompt sound settings on your XPeng car.
I'm listening.
So as you guys can see, here we are in our XPeng, and if you guys want to change it, first you need to open up the vehicle settings. Now let me quickly just disable the voice assistant so that it does not interrupt us. We're gonna go into the sounds, and in the sounds we want to scroll down until we see the prompt sound. So as you guys can see, here we have the safety prompt sound. We can change it from low to high, and I would recommend setting it up to medium because this will basically tell us about our vehicle failure, and as you guys can see, even the driving safety alert. Here we can do the system prompt sound like set key prompt, gear shift prompt, and more prompt sound. Here we can check it. As you guys can see, um, the key prompts, gear shift, drive mode, and charging connector prompts. Also the space prompt sound, so whenever we have the a reminder of our signals, radars, and location details. So we can easily set it up like this. We can turn it off, we can turn it on, and that's how you guys can easily manage the prompt sound. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.